Welcome back everyone. Jumping straight into the video, you may remember our Bentley Continental looking like this. Now it looks like this. We've restored the wheels to their original state of chrome rim and gloss black inner spokes, complementing the chrome exterior and bright chrome front grille. Further features of our 6-litre version include W12 markings, surround camera system and soft closing doors. Inside is the luxurious linen main hide and beluga secondary hide setup, dark walnut veneer, rotating display, city specification, Mulliner cross stitch, contrast stitching and piping throughout, and more. Full details and new images are available on our website, avsvehicles.com. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.